Welcome back. We are still doing place values and we are now on example 5. And example 5 is saying write down the place value of each digits in the numbers below. And you have noticed that these numbers are not usual. The ones we have been doing, they were all whole numbers. But if you look at these numbers, they are decimal. There is a decimal point. That should not worry you. Let's see how we can give place values of numbers that actually contain a decimal point. If you are given a number that contains decimal point, like part A, it is 12.84. What you do is you state the place values for the whole numbers separately. Whole numbers are numbers that are before the decimal point. So from the side of the decimal point to 2 and then to 1, that side is for whole numbers. So what you do is, for the whole numbers, you come and say this is the first number of the whole numbers. This is the one from the extreme end for the whole numbers. So the place value for 2 in this case is 1. Here it implies that there are 2 1s in this case. Then you come to this number 1 is in the position of tens. This implies that there is only 1 10 in that number. Now, for the decimal part, or for the numbers that come after the decimal point, what you do is, number one thing that you must note, okay, when you are stating the place value for the numbers after the decimal point, 1 is not part of them. 1 is not part of them. But 0.8 means that a number was divided by 10. 0.8 is the same as 0.8. It means it was divided by 10. Now for 4 is the same as 0.04. We look at that number alone. So this 4 it was literally like it was divided by 100. So the place value for this 8 here is tenths. That is the place value for 8. It is tenths. Means it is fractional and it was divided by 10. And then for 4, its place value becomes hundreds. This implies that here in this number, 4 was divided by 100 because that position is the same as 0.04. So the place value for 4 in that case is 100. Yes, you have to learn to pronounce new mathematics groups and during your practice. That term is hundreds. Yeah, the pronunciation is not mathematics, it's English. So find your own ways to pronounce it, but the spelling must be true, must be correct. And then we go to part B, which is 365.921. Feel free